Hello guys, so hope you all doing well. So today we will continue the rest of the stages of labor. Okay, so we were studying about active phase of first stage of labor, right? Latent, active and transition. So we have studied till active phase, means in active phase the cervical dilatation is 4 to 7 centimeter. Okay, now we will talk about the transition phase. Okay, so transition phase. Transition phase is the last phase of the first stage of labor. Okay, first stage of labor, the last phase is transition phase. Here the cervical dilatation is 8 to 10 centimeters, means it develops from 8 to 10 centimeter, means whole 10 centimeter means the transitional phase is ending. Okay, so cervical dilatation here is 8 to 10 centimeters, mean baby continues to descend towards the vagina, towards the birth canal. Okay, and contraction is very intense in this phase every 2 to 3 minutes, and length is 60 to 90 second, and duration is 30 minutes to 2 hour. Okay, shortest phase but most intense. Okay, this transition phase is the shortest phase but it's most intense because now the baby is about to deliver, because the cervix dilation is 10 centimeter in this phase, right? Okay, so when the cervix dilatation is 8 centimeter, we will call the transitional phase had started. When the cervix dilatation became 10 centimeter, we will call transitional phase now ends. Okay, now or completed. So when cervix dilatation is 8 centimeter, we will call it transitional phase just started. When cervical dilatation completed 10 centimeter, means cervical dilatation is 10 centimeter, we will say transitional phase completes, means transitional phase starts from 8 centimeter and ends till 10 centimeter. Okay, yeah, so in active phase, if you place the mother in lithotomy position, if you examine the cervix, it will look like this. The cervix dilatation will look like this. And in transitional phase, see, transitional phase, cervix has fully dilated till 10 centimeter. We can see the baby's head also. See, baby starting to come to the birth canal, means right now the baby is about to deliver, and this is the transitional phase. We can see the fully dilated cervix looks like this if you place the mother in lithotomy position. Okay, so I hope the first stage is clear, all the three phases are clear. Now we will start stage 2 of labor. Okay, now the cervix has fully dilated till 10 centimeter. After that, it starts, stage 2 starts when the cervix fully dilated, means 10 centimeter, effaced, means cervix has fully thin out, and ends after delivery of the baby. Means here in stage 2 we will see basically the delivery of the baby, not the placenta, only the baby. Okay, so here in second stage we will see the delivery of the baby, right? Let's see the duration. Last from 20 minutes to 2 hour. Okay, it varies in primigavita and multipara, so it will last from 20 minutes to 2 hour. And the contraction is 45 to 90 seconds in length, and every 3 to 5 minutes. These contractions are very intense too. Okay, so second stage of labor has two phases, you can say, which is propulsive phase and expulsive phase. First stage of labor has three phases, which is latent, active and transition. Now second stage also has two phases, which is propulsive phase and expulsive phase. Now let's understand what propulsive phase means. Propulsive phase means when fetal station is +4 to +5, means +4 or +5. Let's see, this is the female pelvis. Okay, and here is the baby is coming out, baby is descending towards the birth canal. So here the +1 +2 +3 +4 +5, +5 means baby, baby in +5, baby in just baby is just going to deliver. +5 means baby is in the presenting part is in the pelvic floor. Okay, +5 means, or +4 means baby's presenting part, means if the presenting part is cephalic in this case. So cephalic, we can see the cephalic presentation in our pelvic floor. Okay, So yeah, fetal station is +4 or +5 in propulsive stage. We will call it propulsive phase. Means if the fetal head is in +4 or +5 in female pelvis, then we will call it propulsive phase, and it starts from full dilatation of the cervix and ends when the fetal station is +4 or +5. If you need a separate class on fetal station, let me know in the comment section. Okay, yeah. Now let's see the expulsive phase. Okay, expulsive phase, after the fetal head is in +4 or +5 in female station, that time, after that what will happen, the fetal will deliver. So expulsion of fetus is called expulsive phase. Okay, so second stage of labor has two phase, which is propulsive phase. Here this phase starts from the full dilatation of cervix and ends when the fetal head is in +4 or +5 stage fetal station. Okay, when the fetal station is +4 or +5 in female pelvis, and after that the fetal station is +4 or +5, then the expulsion phase will occur, means the expulsion of fetus will start. Okay, the second stage means, so all over basically the second stage in one word means expulsion of the fetus. Okay, means birth of the baby, delivery of the baby, you can say, right? Let's just repeat the topic. Transitional phase means cervical dilatation is 8 to 10 centimeter. From 8 centimeter to 10 centimeter, this phase is called transitional phase. Means baby is about to deliver. 30 minutes to 2 hours its duration. Stage 2 means baby is going to be delivered. Okay, so it starts when the cervix is fully dilated and effaced, and the baby ends after the baby is delivered. Means the delivery of the baby is happened in stage 2, not the placenta. Okay, and duration is 20 minutes to 2 hours. It varies in primigavida and multipara. And second stage has two phases, which is propulsive phase and expulsive phase. Propulsive phase is when the fetal station is +4 or +5, and expulsive phase is when the expulsion of fetus happen. Okay, yeah, I hope the topic is clear. Second stage and first stage is clear. In my next video I will explain the third stage of labor. Thank you.